morning, students. Welcome to online classes presented by Mr. Ravi S. Kumar, lecturer in Department of Studies in Commerce, KLS Gokte College of Commerce, Belgaum. Dear students, today class we are going to discuss difference between profit maximization and wealth maximization. Before going to discuss profit maximization and wealth maximization, in the previous class we studied the detailed concept of what is profit maximization, what is wealth maximization, what are the advantages and disadvantages, those things we studied. So let us start with the difference between profit maximization and wealth maximizations. Already told in the previous class, so this is very important, profit maximization as well as a wealth maximization. But out of two objective, the most superior object is what? Wealth maximizations. So let us start the first difference, meaning. So profit maximization goal of financial management is maximize the profit. So what is the main theme or the concept of profit maximization? So maximizing the profit, making more and more profit. And what is the main theme of wealth maximization? Maximizing the wealth of shareholders or owners of the business organizations. So this is the main theme of profit maximization and wealth maximization. Profit maximization is maximizing the profit, and wealth maximization is going to maximizing the wealth of the shareholders or owner of the business organization. So second meaning, vagueness. Vagueness means it is not clear, it is conflict. Okay, so what it is not clear under the profit maximization. In the profit maximization, object is not clear. Object is not clear means what? The whatever the maximization of the profit, it is not clear. Why? Because we have a objective, we have a main theme is what? Profit maximization, maximizing the profit. But whenever we are moving towards to maximizing the more profit, the whatever the information is not clear. For example, gross profit, net profit and operating profits, these are not giving a clear picture. So because of that, the profit maximization is vagueness or ambiguous. It means it is not clear. So let us we have to talk about wealth maximization. So under the wealth maximization, objective is clear. Objective is clear means what? Here the whatever we have objective, that is maximization of the wealth, it is clear. Why? Because whenever we want to maximizing the value of shareholders, we have to take a lot of precautions, and whatever we are going to taking the steps, uh, things, those are proportionately connected with what? Maximizing the profit. So the shareholders, whatever the objective of wealth maximization is clear. Okay, have no scope for vagueness and ambiguity. Here there is no any vagueness. So there is a vagueness in profit maximization, and there is no vagueness, there is no conflict under the wealth maximizations. Let us move to the next one, that is criteria. What is a criteria? Criteria means what? What are the techniques, what are the methods we are going to measuring the profit maximization and wealth maximization? Under the profit maximization, we are using the criteria is what? Accounting profit. Accounting profit means what? As you know already, what are the accounting profits? Gross profit, net profit and operating profit. These are the criteria, these are the techniques. By using these, we are going to maximizing the profit maximization. Okay, so these are the techniques we are going to using the measurement of a profit maximization. But when you want, when we are going to talk about wealth maximization, we are going to using some of the criteria. Those are maximization of market price per share. By using the market price, this is one of the criteria, it is one of the techniques. So we are going to maximizing the wealth of shareholders. Let us move to the fourth one, the time value of money. Under the profit maximization, ignore time value of money. Means at the time of in the profit maximization, we are not focusing at the time value of money. We are focused only what? The profit maximization. It means the theme is what? Profit maximization, making the more and more profit. When you are going to moving towards to making more and more profit, in that moment, in such cases, we are not focused time value of the money. But when we are going to talk about the wealth maximization, consider value of the money. So they are going to focus, they are going to give preference for the time value of the money. So what is the value of the money in the future? We are going to giving the preference under the wealth maximization. Let us again continue. What is the fifth difference between a profit and the wealth maximization? So risk. Does not consider risk associated with the cash flows. Under the profit maximization, it does not take any risk, and it does not consider any risk which is associated with the cash flows. Whatever the cash flows relating to that, it will not take any risk. But when you are going to talk about wealth maximization, it's a take risk into the accounts. The riskness of the cash flows, whatever the cash flows regarding that is going to take the risk. Why? Because already I told you how we are going to maximizing the profit, the sources of fund, using of the fund, application of the fund, investment of the fund, and next dividend of the fund, liquidity of the fund. When you are going to using in a proper manner, so proportionately what will happen? We have a good profit. Profit itself means what? Maximization of profit. Sixth one, basis of computation. So what base we are going to calculating the wealth maximization and profit maximization? So profit maximization is calculated on the basis of accounting profit, and wealth maximization is to be calculated on the basis of what? Cash flows. How much cash inflows and outflow, on the basis of that we are going to calculating what exactly the wealth of the organizations. Based on calculating a net profit, gross profit, and operating profit, we'll come to know that what exactly the profit of the organization will be find out. Seventh one, applicability. It is not widely accepted as objective of the financial management. I think it is clear for applicable where exactly the applicable. So profit maximization, it is not widely accepted as per the objective of financial management, but wealth maximization is widely accepted in the financial management. Imperfect markets makes assumption of perfect competition and hence is not applicable in the imperfect markets. And when you want to talk about wealth maximization, makes no such assumption and so can be universally applied to all the market forms. Manipulation under the profit maximization can be easily manipulated by changing the accounting policies. Of course, we are going to manipulating the data and information. Why? Because we have a lot of accounting principles and techniques. By using that, we are going to manipulating the data. But under the wealth maximization, it is not possible to manipulation of the data. So this is a brief introduction. This is a brief difference between wealth maximization and profit maximization. Just to go through that. In the next class, we are going to discuss about the net present value. Thank you.